foothills of the Rockies. Just on the other side, I'll get a video of the Rockies. Way out over there, there's an oil rig. Up and down. $5 and a $10 and a $15 and a $20, $25, $30. Gasoline in the raw. Alright, there's another one. Each stroke is money in somebody's pocket. Definitely not mine. This guy's rich. He's got another one right over